As a scientist, I get curious. I ponder things, I deliberate over things, I ask the question, why? Now this is a good thing. Why is it a good thing? Because curiosity is implicit in science, and a world without science isn't somewhere where I want to be. So that's why I want to take the time tonight to talk to you about something that piqued my own curiosity. Now I study jellyfish, and 95% of their body is composed of water. Now that is curious. So forgetting about the what species, the where are these species, how much are these species, as scientists our next question should be to ask why. Why are these organisms 95% water? There must be some sort of evolutionary advantage. Jellyfish appeared in our oceans over 500 million years ago, and they've been gelatinous and jelly-like all that time, so we can at least say that it was a successful strategy. It turns out the reduction of shear forces in our deep oceans allows for an expansive yet fragile body form, and by incorporating large volumes of water into their bodies, jellyfish grow to sizes that are disproportionately larger than other animals relative to their carbon content. These guys are pretending to be giants, but with a very low carbon content, and this strategy is working. So we know they can grow large, but when they do grow large, their ability to capture more and bigger prey increases. This means they can feed extensively, they can become bigger, they can have sex, they can reproduce, while simultaneously making themselves less vulnerable to predators. And why is that? Because they're bigger, but they also make themselves less attractive to predators. And why is that? Because they're 95% water. The calorific intake gained by eating these jellyfish for most predators just isn't worth it. Now this all translates into higher survival rates, which in turn means more sex, more offspring. It's an evolutionary checkmate. But there's even more. This growth is achieved without a comparable increase in metabolic demand or energy. And why is that? Because they are 95% water. A small amount of energy can increase their size massively and disproportionately. Now isn't that interesting? Isn't that curious? Now you may be thinking, wow, aren't jellyfish clever? Isn't evolution clever? But no, not clever, adaptive. It is not the strongest nor the most intelligent of the species that survives. It is one that is most adaptable to change and the environment. And that's a quote by Charles Darwin. Now hopefully that has been a little journey into the curious mind of Donal Griffin, but unknowns to you all, or maybe not, I have been classically conditioning you, like a pack of Pavlov's dogs, to be good scientists. And one click will elicit an involuntary conditioned response from your brain. You will find yourself asking the question, why? You will find yourself salivating curiosity.